Alright, language explorers. So, I want to experiment and try something different, new. Some ASMR, some British English accent ASMR, different topics, different conversations, with some tea. Very nice. How cool is that? Let's a little closer. Very nice. So let's get reading. So let's have a look. Let's find interesting topic. Charles, Duke of Berry, 1686 to 1714. Okay, not quite. Magnesium oxychloride. No, not quite. Rob Oliver. Okay. Rob Oliver, born 1977, is a director for The Simpsons. He has also been a character layout artist, storyboard artist, assistant director, second unit director, and technical director over the course of his long career on the show. He graduated from Owosso, MI, not sure, somewhere in the States, high school in 1995, and the second year he was hired, and the next year he was hired to draw characters on The Simpsons. He has worked on hundreds of episodes. Rob has also worked on Simpsons commercials, DVD menus, DVD boxes, and consumer products for the brand. His Renault Kangoo commercial was a mix of live action and animation. Received an Emmy nomination for directing Holidays of Future Past, an episode of The Simpsons. He conceptualized many of the visuals for the episode himself while storyboarding it. Two of his artists, Charles Reagins and Dima Malanchevich, won individual Emmy Awards for their works on his Treehouse of Horror 14 for The Simpsons. So Rob Oliver. C.W. Bishop. Okay. Cecil William Bishop. 29th of June, 1890, till September 22nd, 1971, was a member of the United States House of Representatives from Illinois. Okay. What else do we have? Let's find Charles W. Blair. Charles White Blair was a lawyer and a Union Army officer who served in 3 different regiments during the American Civil War. He fought primarily in the Trans-Mississippi Theater and was notable during the Price's Missouri Raid. Okay. Interesting. Let's have a read of this. Let's have a listen. List of earthquakes in 2021. This is a list of earthquakes in 2021. Only earthquakes of magnitude 6 or above are included, unless they result in damages or casualties or are notable for other reasons. All dates are listed in UTC time. Maximum intensities are indicated on the modified Mercalli intensity scale, and all data are sourced by the United States Geological Survey. We have 11,328 on a magnitude 4 to 4.9, 1,728 on magnitude 5 to 5.9, 104 magnitude 6 to 6.9, 13 on magnitude 7 to 7.9, 3 on magnitude 8 to 8.9, and 0 on magnitude 9 and above. We had some in Haiti, Indonesia, Pakistan, Mexico, Indonesia, United States, New Zealand, South Georgia, New Caledonia, South Georgia and South Sandwich Islands, New Zealand, Qinghai, China, New Zealand, Vanuatu, Haiti, Japan, Philippines, Japan, and beyond. Yeah. Let's find one more article. Steve Harding, Canadian football. Steve Harding, born 30th of December, was a linebacker in the Canadian Football League, playing 5 seasons with the BC Lions. A graduate of University of Oregon, Harding played in the WLAF with the Rhine Fire in 1996 and used this as a springboard to get a chance at the NFL's Indianapolis Colts. He played 1 game for them in 96. He signed with the Leos in 98 and won the Grey Cup with them in 2000 and was an All-Star in 2002. Harding's 2003 season and career was cut short as a pre-season injury forced him to miss the entire season. Regardless, he put his time and energy to good use and won the prestigious Tom Pate Memorial Award received in 2003. He played 78 games for the Lions. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.